Hi guys, here we are at Sherburn and Elmet Station level crossing in North Yorkshire. We're joined Adam. Oh wow. That barrier made a really funny noise when it came down.
What?
That barrier made a really strange noise.
Yeah, I told you the motor.
Yeah. Right, the time is 16:25 on Saturday the 28th of May 2016, and this is 4 hours 16:21. Our slightly delayed 16:21 2 Romeo 97 Arriva Rail North service from York to Hull. Let's check on these lights. And this is halogen, by the way. Let's have a look at this one over here. That one works too. Right, I can hear it approaching. Oh, it's in there! 158910. York's that way, isn't it? Oh yeah, from York to Hull, that's all right. I want to be on this side anyway. There's the yodel alarm there. Well, there's quite a few people get off here. God, how many people get off at this flipping station? There we go, we've got 158910. William Wilberforce. On 58910 William Wilberforce to Hull. To York, sorry. And up they go. That's guys, next video.